All right, want to give you everything we got here when it comes to this storm moving in. The flood watch, this is a big deal, but it is not for today. This is primarily late tonight, overnight into your Saturday for a substantial amount of rain potentially. And then we have a winter storm watch that is primarily north and northwestern parts of our viewing area, or our north zone, parts of Oakland, Livingston, Genesee, Lapeer counties, ice and snow sleet combinations. But here's what we're looking at: 2 to 3 inches of rain later tonight and overnight. Freezing rain or ice, could be 1/3 to 1/2 inch of ice in some spots west and north of Detroit. And then we're looking at that time frame of midday to maybe afternoon on that snow switch over from rain to freezing rain and ice for some of you. Notice right now, way too warm for any icy concerns. So Friday morning temps in the lower to middle 40s, on our way into the lower 50s. What? Here in January, that's pretty incredible. Breezes coming out of the south that will try to warm us up, and rain showers today will be sort of hit or miss, coming and going. We have a little bit coming into Lenawee County right now, but the lion's share of the wet weather is staying south. If you're driving down into Indiana, Ohio, Pennsylvania today, you'll run into some of that heavier rain. We just get the northern fringe of that, little bits and pieces. Everything starts to enhance later tonight, so you can see some of this wet weather at just before midnight tonight, really starting to crank up, and will be coming down for several hours at a pretty brisk pace, creating that flood watch or issue that we are concerned about. And then it's midday tomorrow that we start to see the rounds of what could be mixed precipitation to freezing rain or ice. And notice we're looking at the model precipitation for ice, forecasting that 1/3 of an inch of ice across portions of Oakland and Livingston counties, maybe even into Ann Arbor. I want to send it over to Paul Gross, who's going to talk a little more about this freezing rain possibility.
Yeah, and I'll tell you, everything you need to know about the weekend, you can understand just by understanding what's happening with the surface winds. Now, today it's mainly a south-southwest wind, but that creates the high water level risk, the lakeshore flood risk on the northern part of Lake St. Clair. Now, as we move through the day today, we're going to keep these south to southwest winds, but then notice by tomorrow morning, you could actually see this cold front here. You can see south winds ahead of it. Behind it, the winds shift around to the north, and as that happens, we now transfer that flood threat, the lakeshore flood threat, to the Lake Huron shoreline of the thumb. Now watch, you can actually see this front progress southward through the area during the day, this northeast wind continuing to drive not only the waters onto the shoreline areas, but bringing in colder air, which gives us that freezing rain potential. We're going to be really seeing that cold air come in. Now, as we get into real quick Sunday night, you can see the low is going by, the wind is going to shift back, and then as we get into Sunday, we'll see that all shift to the west, and we'll end the lakeshore flood threat. Brandon?
All right, and again, it's late tonight, overnight, that we're concerned about the flooding, and then we'll say late morning through the midday that we could start to see Saturday freezing rain, sleet, ice, that kind of thing setting up. Saturday really is going to be the day to watch, and likely going to get another round of it into the evening Saturday that could bring some ice even into parts of Metro Detroit south of 8 Mile. Something to watch for sure.